Letitia Ann James is an American lawyer and politician serving since 2019 as the Attorney General of New York, having won the 2018 election to succeed Barbara Underwood. A member of the Democratic Party, James is the first African American and first woman to be elected New York Attorney General. Born and raised in Brooklyn, James graduated from Lehman College in the Bronx before obtaining her Juris Doctor degree at Howard University in Washington, D.C. She worked as a public defender, then on staff in the New York State Assembly, and later as a New York State Assistant Attorney General in the Brooklyn Regional Office. James served as a member of the New York City Council from 2004 to 2013. She represented the 35th District, which includes the Brooklyn neighborhoods of Clinton Hill, Fort Greene, parts of Crown Heights, Prospect Heights, and Bedford Stuyvesant. James chaired the committees on economic development and sanitation and served on several others. From 2013 to 2018, she was the New York City Public Advocate, making her the first African-American woman to be elected to and hold citywide office in New York City. James was briefly a candidate in the 2022 New York gubernatorial election, but suspended her campaign in December 2021, opting to instead run for re-election as Attorney General. Letitia Ann James was born on October 18, 1958, in Brooklyn, New York. She is one of 8 children born to Nellie James and Robert James. She attended New York City public schools. Raised in Park Slope, Brooklyn, she attended Fort Hamilton High School in nearby Bay Ridge. She received her Bachelor of Arts from the City University of New York's Lehman College in 1981, majoring in liberal arts with an emphasis in social work. James received her Juris Doctor degree from Howard University School of Law in Washington, D.C. in 1987 and was admitted to practice law in New York State in 1989. As of 2013, James was enrolled at Columbia University's School of International and Public Affairs in the Morningside Heights section of Manhattan, where she was working towards a Master of Public Administration degree. James served as a public defender for the Legal Aid Society and established the Urban Network, a coalition of African American professional organizations aimed at providing scholarships for inner-city youth. She served on former New York Governor Mario Cuomo's task force on diversity in the judiciary. She served as counsel for Albert Vann, chief of staff for Roger L. Greene in the New York State Assembly, and in the administration of New York Attorney General Eliot Spitzer. She was appointed the first Assistant Attorney General in charge of the Brooklyn Regional Office in 1999. While working in that position, James worked in many capacities, but notably focused on consumer complaints involving predatory lending and other unlawful business practices. James's first run for the 35th Council District was in November 2001.